Hey guys, this is Jesse the Sand Dude Davenport from Guarantee RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Fuzion. It's a 420. When you look at the front on this, it's got the big front cap. And you'll notice here, this has the More Ride pin box. Nice for pulling. Come around here, we're on the side. You got a little place here to plug your portable solar in. Little plug there. This one comes with a cord reel. All your gauges and stuff up under here for up in there. So there's one big slide. It's got LED lights all on at the outside. It's got the nicer frameless windows. It is a chrome, so it's going to have a lot of nice stuff on it. More frameless. This is a triple axle. It does have this 6-point auto leveling, which is nice. If you look up high up there, it's got a vent, air vent up there above. Back here you got your fuel station. There's a nice little ladder to go up on top. This one has the drop down patio. You can put out the rails and come off the back. It's got an awning out here off the back of that. There's a step to go out the back over here. When you put this whole thing out, display it, you can come out off the back. Again, more LED lights up there. This one here has a backup camera with a monitor inside. There's a monitor here, and there's also one inside the garage. We'll come on inside here. You notice it's a 4-step. Got another little air vent there. Watch your head when you come in there. This one's got the nice bath in the back. You notice something right here, which is kind of cool. Little place to put your ladder. It's got some hanging stuff. LED lights. It's got a nice little TV on a swivel. And down here on the ground, your nice steps. There's also a step we'll look at in a minute. It's got a side patio. It goes off the side. Here's your other camera. So when you're inside, you can see what's outside. This one has the nicer window. You come inside the living room here. Up above, you got a loft. Got the nicer cabinets with the better hinges in it. Full surround with the chrome. You're going to get all the doodads. Bigger TV. Nicer stereo. Nicer head unit. All the remotes, soundbar. Comes with a nice little fireplace. Full-size Samsung fridge. Convection with a regular oven. This has the Jensen here with all the touchscreen stuff, all your lights. You come on up in here. It's got the bigger bathroom, big shower, full-size shower. Got a nice little fan up here. This one has the slide out in the bedroom here, with a little area over here on the side for a computer. There's another air conditioner in here, separate. Lots of. Come around this way here. We go out this way, got another TV in here. Come on back down the steps here. You come on outside here on the side patio. Another awning off the side. Off the side, another TV. And then when you look over here, you got another step that goes off the side of here. And if you have any other questions, you give me a call. The number's on the screen there, or my cell phone's 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.